Today's video is going to be really short and really tough for me. I'm having trouble talking today, so it's super quiet. I'll try my best, but it's going to be short. Today, what your objective is to take an equation and plug numbers into that equation or input them, and then do the math operations to figure out what the output in that equation would be. And I'm going to give you two examples, and we're going to put those answers into tables. So here's your first one. If I have this equation, y equals x plus 5, and I want to know what all of the answers could be for y, what I have to do is pick some numbers to put in for x. And a good way to organize this is using a mathematical tool called a table. So I'm going to make this table, and in the table I've labeled x and y on the two different sides of the table. The first thing I got to do is pick a number for x that I want to try out. What do you think a good number would be? That's right, 1. 1's a great number, or even 0. Awesome answers. Let's start with 0. If I put 0 in for x, this tells me y equals 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. Therefore, y equals 5. So if x is 0, y is 5. What was that next number we were going to use? That's right, 1. You guys are so good at this. If I put 1 into this equation, I can write 1 there. I say 1 plus 5 equals something. 1 plus 5 equals 6. My answer is 6 here. Let's put 2 in for x. If x equals 2, I write 2 here. 2 plus 5 is 7. Bam. Okay, let's pick something crazy. 117. If I put 117 in, I'm still going to add 5 to get my y. 117 plus 5 equals 122. That's good. Everything on this side is 5 more than everything on that side. Just like in our equation, whatever x is, y is going to be adding 5 more to what x was. So here's a pretty simple one with addition. Let's check one out using multiplication. All right, here's your equation. Y equals 3 times x. All right, let's pick a number for x. What would be a good number to start with? No, not 147.3. No, 0. Yes, thank you in the back row. Thank you. 0. We're going to put 0 in for x. When I put 0 in for x, I have 0 times what? 3. Yeah, you should be saying this out loud as we go along. 0 times 3 equals what? 0. When x is 0, y is also 0. Let's go with 1. Well, let's put 1 in there. I want you on a piece of paper to be doing this, guys. I put a 1 in. 1 times 3 equals what? I'll give you some time. That's right, 3. If I put a 1 in for x, my answer for y is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. And let's just do one more. Let's put in 15. If I said x was 15, I'm still going to multiply 15 by 3. Here's 15. 15 times 3 is 15, 30, 45. That's all I got to do, guys. Take your equation, plug something in for x, and see what you get for y.